How to make a donation website using Canva. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a donation website using Canva. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account in Canva, you can also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Canva, it is an online graphic design platform that allows users to easily create a wide range of visual content such as presentations, posters, social media graphics, logos, and marketing materials. It offers a user-friendly drag-and-drop interface, making it accessible to everyone. So now just simply go to their template section and search website to proceed. And below it will show you the result of all of the website available that you can use. However, in all of this option, I'm going to choose to create a blank website. From here, it will show us on this blank canvas that we can navigate on the left side panel some of the editing tools, and that includes here these elements. So just search for here example, layout, design, templates. It will show us in here the layout of this image. We can simply resize it in here. Upon resizing it, we can simply upload the image of the donation that we are creating. For example, I'm creating a donation for cancer patients. So I'm going to enter here cancer, and in here it will show us under photos some of the patient, and I'm going to simply click or choose this one right here. As you can see, we have now added a new photos, but you could also upload from your computer files if you want to. The next thing is to simply add a text. From here, I'm going to add a heading as you can see, and I'm going to enter donate to save lives as the heading of it, and I'm going to place it in here. So this is basically what it looks like right here. But now the next thing that we need to do is to change the background by clicking on the color on the top panel. Just choose here the palette on the left side panel. So this one, for example. Now aside from that, you could also choose another elements such as a button elements that will be able to add the donate button. You could also add here another kind of sickness if you want to, depending on your preferences. Let's say leukemia, HIV awareness, and many more. Now in this page, you could also add more text or elements that you prefer. But I'm going to add here buttons or make it simple. But before that, under text, I'm going to add a subheading right here and enter a few kind of words about this donation drive. As you can see, we have here every day many cancer patients died. Help them with your donation. I'm going to make it italic and also change it right here. Now that we added that, we can now go to the button section or the element section right here and choose the button. You could also enter here a donation button if you want to add here, or you could also click any graphic buttons that you prefer. But instance in here, I'm going to choose this button. You could also change the sizes right here, and we're going to replace it or locate this one below here. You could also add more context on it if you want to. But to proceed, we need to have a PayPal account, that is a business account. After signing in your PayPal, just click the settings option on the top right, in which is basically the gateway that we'll be able to use. So from here, just simply choose the seller tools option, and after that, under here, just click PayPal buttons. By doing so, from here it will show you some of the options to choose, so just click here or choose donate. After that, you need to simply fill out the required information, and that includes the name of the campaign, your target amount, the currency, and many more. However, again, you must have a business account in order to do so, so just simply upgrade your account on PayPal to proceed. And after that, you should be able to see the link and also the QR code that you can navigate to add to your Canva. But since I don't have a business account, I'm just going to simply add here the link of my PayPal account, for example. So just simply copy the link, and after copying the link, just simply go back to your Canva account, and we can add here more text. For example, in here, just click add subheading, and in here I'm going to enter donate now. We're going to replace it beside or in here on the button. Just right click on it and click the three dots and click link and paste the link in here of the PayPal account. Then click done to proceed. So in here we could also remove the underline. So when the customer or the viewer try to click the button donate now, they will automatically be directed on your PayPal where they can donate their money. Or we could also upload here a QR code. For instance, under elements, we're just going to simply choose here a random QR code. But this is supposedly the QR code for your PayPal account directly to the campaign drive of the donation. I'm going to enter also a text that says or scan this to donate. So now as you can see, we're now creating here this website or this donation website in Canva. You could also click the share button on the top right to save it and upload it to your social media account to proceed. And overall, that is just how you can make a donation website using Canva. Thank you.